He texted her. Morning, noon, evening. Still no reply. Left on scene. That small gray check mark starts to feel like a punch in the chest. Your mind spins. Did I say something wrong? Is she losing interest? Is she with someone else? You keep checking your phone, screen lighting up with everything except her name. Every minute of silence feels louder. You start thinking. Maybe if you send another message, she'll finally respond. Maybe a small joke, a meme, anything. But here's the brutal truth. The more you chase in silence, the more she loses respect for you. This isn't about her. It's about your reaction to her silence. Because right now, every word you don't send says more than anything you could type. So in this video, I'll show you how to stay calm, grounded, and powerful when she ignores your text all day. You'll learn how to stop chasing, how to read her silence correctly, and how to use this moment to level up as a man. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do when she ignores you all day. Here's what most men never realize. Silence isn't always rejection. Sometimes it's a test, not of how charming you are, but of your control over yourself. A woman's silence often reveals what a man hasn't yet mastered, his own emotions. You start doubting yourself. You replay every past conversation. You let your mind create a storm that isn't even real. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." In dating, that's everything. You can't control whether she replies, but you can control whether her silence breaks you or builds you. When she doesn't reply, the game doesn't end. The real game begins, because that's when her silence becomes a mirror. It shows you if you'll collapse into anxiety or rise into composure. The choice defines you more than her answer ever could. Step 1. Stop chasing and protect your dignity. Every impulse in you wants a double text. You tell yourself, "I'll just check in." But deep down, you know it's not checking, it's chasing. Every extra message says, "My worth depends on your attention." Don't do it. No second text. No, "Are you mad at me?" No paragraph explaining how you feel. When you chase validation, you lose power. You train her to believe your emotions are hers to control. The Stoic man resists that urge. He stands in silence, not to manipulate, but to respect himself. Because silence isn't weakness, it's discipline. Inside you, there's a battle between ego and peace. The ego screams, "Text her again." Peace whispers, "Let it go." You already know which voice a strong man listens to. Remember this line and never forget it. You're not applying for a job in her life. You are the prize. Step 2. Let silence expose her true intentions. If she truly cared, silence will work against her, not you. Here's what usually happens. At first, she feels relief. She expects you'll chase, just like everyone else. Then comes curiosity. Why isn't he texting? Then doubt. Maybe he doesn't care anymore. And finally, craving. What's he doing now? Who else is he talking to? But if she doesn't value you, she'll never reach those later stages. And that's your blessing. Her silence saved you months of illusions. Either way, silence reveals truth. That's why you don't chase. You simply observe. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." So observe quietly. Watch her behavior, not her words. Let reality show itself without your interference. You'll learn more by doing nothing than by overanalyzing. A woman's silence can't hurt you when your peace doesn't depend on her attention. Step 3. Use the space to level up your value. You can't fill silence with desperation, but you can fill it with purpose. The universe just gave you time. Use it. Go to the gym. Work on your career, your business, your craft. Spend time with loyal friends, men who push you to grow. Read, write, build. The goal isn't to impress her. It's to become so complete that her silence no longer feels like loss. Seneca wrote, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." In your world, preparation means becoming that man who doesn't collapse when he's ignored. He gets sharper, stronger, more focused. Let her absence become your training ground. Because when emotional noise fades, the man who worked on himself wins, no matter what she decides. If she comes back, She should meet a man better than the one she left on read. And if she doesn't, that same man is already building a life she'll never forget. You can't lose when you use silence as fuel. Step 4. How and when to respond if she finally texts. She might message after hours, a day, or a week. Maybe it's a casual hey, or sorry, been busy. Don't jump at it. Let it sit. Wait. Breathe. Give it time before replying. Not to play games, but to show that your world doesn't orbit around her notifications. When you do reply, keep it calm, short, positive, no bitterness. Avoid every sentence that smells like guilt tripping. You don't need to say, "Where were you?" or "Why didn't you reply?" She knows. You're not seeking closure. Your peace is your closure. Respond like this, with confidence, presence, and direction. Let her re-earn your time by showing consistency. And if she goes dry again, walk away without anger. You're not punishing her. You're protecting your self-respect. A grounded man never begs twice. Here's your final Stoic reminder. You can't control her silence, but you can always control your response to it. Every unreturned message is a test, not of your worth, but of your self-mastery. Will you panic, or will you choose power? You are not the man who begs for replies. You are the man who radiates peace so solid that nothing, not even silence, can shake it. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have the power to withdraw into yourself whenever you choose." That's your fortress. That's your freedom. So whether she comes back or disappears for good, you still win if you master yourself. Because emotional control isn't just attractive, it's unbreakable. If this woke something up inside you, breathe, choose silence over chasing, and become the man you were meant to be.